Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a factory-built 2015 Freightliner Coronado glider kit, built with a 12.7 liter pre-emission Detroit, 10-speed. It's got all new rubber. I've got it hot this afternoon, so you'll see blow by and oil pressure. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you. Let's get started. Air ride front end as well. It's a nice bonus. This truck's got 650 total on the miles, and about 80,000 miles on a complete out-of-frame overhaul as well with paperwork. The only body or paint blemishes that I see on that little front piece. Aluminum looks great. The rest of your body and paint's in excellent condition. It's got a wet kit as well. This is a Southern truck, no rust. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Brakes. If you look at the right angle, you got just a little bit of a dent in the fuel tank right there. And I did notice this that top little piece of the paint's got some clear coat feeling on it. Interior's nice and clean, floor's clean. Here's your total miles. Operating temps dropped just a little bit since I fired it up earlier. It's very smooth to the RPMs. Pressure jumps up there great, and then total oil pressure is going to drop a little bit once it gets complete operating temp, but it gives you a really good idea what it is. Sounds great. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got more questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.